In this step, you can review and verify the product names that were recognized and linked to the catalog automatically, analyze and deal with similar products, as well as link or remove the unlinked lines. For the user convenience, there are search filters by keywords, brands, or supplier. Using the special filters, you can display the following on your screen: only unrecognized products that were not linked to the catalog, only similar products for which the system did not detect any differences, or only products that were linked with the catalog items. In the tooltip, you can see the description of the item as it was originally written in the price list and the number of the line on which it's located. As mentioned earlier, if the system detected an entry but was unable to link it to the catalog, the system is displayed in Step 2 as unlinked and requires manual processing. Let's look into some scenarios that you may encounter. I have created a special brand with the name No Brand. Unlinked products. No brand example AX7, the code is SMAX700. The system was unable to recognize this product because the code was spelled incorrectly, no spaces. Click on the model name or link button in the action field. To narrow down your search, filter the data by keywords and brand. Here it's AX700 and No Brand. Find the relevant entry in the catalog and link it using the link button in the action field. The item is now linked and has been placed in the group of recognized products. Let's review a rare but possible situation in which the product was linked incorrectly and requires us to link it properly. No brand example A600 dual SIM, as it was recorded in the price list, was linked to example A600 single SIM. Let's assume that the dual SIM version of A600 has just been released and only for a specific limited market. Therefore, it's not yet in the catalog. We would like to add this model to the user's catalog with the correct specs, as we are planning to trade it on a regular basis. There are two ways of doing that. The first way is by using the Edit option to relink the model. To begin with, we have to unlink the incorrect matching by clicking the Unlink button in the action field. Now we have to find a possible link to the catalog by entering the model code into the search system. There is no match for the dual SIM in the catalog. Click the link button and use the Add to Catalog option. In the Add to Catalog form, let's make sure that the product description is correct. Model, category, phones, brand, next, product color, and specs, 16 gigabytes. Euro specs and dual SIM. The entry will be saved in your user catalog, and next time the product will be linked automatically. The second way of resolving this issue is to send an inquiry to support. This option is not available for the basic plan users. Premium plan users will receive a reply within 24 hours, and business plan users within 72 hours. When the notification next to the product has changed to a check mark, this means that the reply from support has been received. In order to process the price list correctly, the user has to return to Step 1, reset the file, and process it again. If the product has not been linked and you don't actually have it in your inventory, there's no reason to link it. It can just be deleted or ignored. I used a J01B connector as an example. Please note that unlinked products will be excluded from the analysis in the next steps. Let's talk about similar products. In the event when there are more than one model with similar specs in the same price list and the system was unable to detect the differences, these products will be grouped under the Similar heading. In the event when there are more than one model with similar specs in the same price list and the system was unable to detect the differences, these products will be grouped under the Similar heading. In the description, the system recognized the Common Information Original box. However, it was unable to identify the difference between with regional label and without regional label, and as a result, marked these two models as similar. If you would like to display these differences, you will have to change the specs to make them different from one another. In the Link Product table, locate the Custom Specs column, select the appropriate info from the drop-down menu, or add missing info. Please note, in addition to adding custom specs, the user can also delete them if they are not important for further analysis. Similar models do not necessarily require linking and will be displayed regardless in the next steps along with linked products.